Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best AI screen dash cam in this video? I will show you the top 5 best iScreen dash cam to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 is Auto iScreen Dual Lens Video Recorder. Specifications. Brand name, Develop. Input-output, Type-C. Display, IPS. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 170. Max external memory, 128GB. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, 1/3 Sony CCD. Pixels, 1200 mega. Display size, 11.3 inches. Chipset manufacturer, Allwinner. Frames per second, 30. Warranty, 365 days. Weight, 1.1. Number 4 is Jansight 10.26 inches car DVR. Specifications. Brand name, Jansight. Display, IPS. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 170. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 256GB. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, 1/3 Sony CCD. Pixels, 1200 mega. Display size, 10.26 inches. Chipset manufacturer, Allwinner. As the item number 3 we've selected, 10.26 inches car DVR. Specifications. Brand name, Esco. Built-in screen, yes. DIN, 1 DIN. Digital media format, MP3, MP4. Resolution, 3840 by 2160. Display size, 10.25. Warranty, 1 year. Weight, 1.5 kilograms. Number 2 is T30 10.26 AI Screen Dash Cam. Specifications. Brand name, Objpeak. Display, IPS. Screen ratio, 4:3. View angle, 170. Camera resolution, 1920 by 1080. Max external memory, 256GB. Number of lenses, 1. Imaging sensor, GC2053. Pixels, 1200 mega. Battery, built-in. Chipset manufacturer, Allwinner. Frames per second, 30. On the top of our list at number 1 we have K50 AI Screen GPS Navigation. Specifications. Brand name, Objpeak. Display, IPS. Screen ratio, 4:3. View angle, 170. Camera resolution, 1920 by 1080. Max external memory, 256GB. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, GC2053. Pixels, 1200 mega. Battery, built-in. Chipset manufacturer, Allwinner. Frames per second, 30.